Now, let's make the corgi's head. Take out the yarn in the matching color. First, hold the yarn on your hand. For the head, start with a magic ring. We will first make a magic ring. Pull the yarn tail a little longer. Then wrap it once around your middle finger. Pinch the crossing point of the yarn with your thumb and middle finger. Take out the crochet hook. Insert the crochet hook through the loop on your middle finger. The crochet hook is now positioned in front of the working yarn. The hook tip is facing towards us. Then rotate the crochet hook, so the hook tip faces the working yarn. Catch the working yarn. Pull the yarn through the loop on your middle finger. Then rotate the crochet hook again, so the hook tip faces us. This way the loop on your middle finger forms a magic ring. Make a chain stitch first to secure the magic ring. Yarn over the crochet hook. Pull the yarn through the loop on the crochet hook. This completes one chain stitch. A chain stitch raises the height, but it is not counted as a stitch. In round 1, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work 6 single crochet and 1 slip stitch. You've already made 1 chain stitch. Now crochet 6 single crochet. The first single crochet, insert the hook through the magic ring. Yarn over the crochet hook. Pull the yarn through the magic ring. Now there are 2 loops on the crochet hook. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook again. Pull the yarn through the 2 loops on the hook. That completes 1 single crochet. Place a stitch marker to mark the first single crochet. For every following round, use a stitch marker to mark the first stitch. Pinch the side of the magic ring with 2 strands using your thumb and middle finger. The second single crochet, insert the hook through the magic ring. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook and pull it through the magic ring. Now there are 2 loops on the crochet hook. Wrap the yarn around the hook again. Then pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. The second single crochet is completed. A third single crochet. The fourth single crochet. The fifth single crochet. The sixth single crochet. 6 single crochet are done. Let's count to make sure we have the right number of stitches. Start counting from where the stitch marker is attached. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. The stitch count is correct. Now find the yarn tail. Pull it to tighten the magic ring. Next, crochet a slip stitch. Insert the crochet hook into the first stitch. This is the stitch with a stitch marker. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook and pull it through the stitch. Then, pull the left loop through the right loop on the hook. And that's how you complete a slip stitch. Tighten the slip stitch. This can prevent it from being mistaken for a stitch. A slip stitch connects the beginning and end. It is also not counted as a stitch. In round 2, start with 1 chain stitch, then make 6 increase stitches and finish with a slip stitch. The hook insertion points for round 2 are right below the V-shapes formed in round 1. First, make 1 chain stitch. Next, make the first increase stitch, crochet to single crochet into the same stitch. First, crochet 1 single crochet into the first stitch. Use the stitch marker to mark the first stitch. Then crochet another single crochet into the same stitch. This completes 1 increase stitch. V-shapes are formed on the side. The second increase stitch. In the next stitch, start by making a single crochet. Then crochet another single crochet into the same stitch. The second increase stitch is completed. The third increase stitch. In the next stitch, start by making a single crochet. Then crochet another single crochet into the same stitch. The third increase stitch is completed. The fourth increase stitch. In the next stitch, start by making a single crochet. Then crochet another single crochet in the same stitch. A fourth increase stitch is completed. The fifth increase stitch. Start by crocheting 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Crochet another single crochet into the same stitch. The fifth increase stitch is done. The sixth increase stitch. First, crochet a single crochet in the next stitch. Then crochet another single crochet in the same stitch. The sixth increase stitch is done. Then make a slip stitch to join the beginning and end. The second round is completed. There are a total of 12 stitches. Please count your stitches to make sure the number is correct. In the third round, start with a chain stitch, then crochet 12 single crochet and 1 slip stitch. First, make 1 chain stitch, then crochet 12 single crochet without increasing or decreasing. The first one. Use the stitch marker to mark the first stitch. The second one. The third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. The sixth one. The seventh one. The eighth one. The ninth one. The 10th one. The 11th one. The 12th one. Finally, crochet a slip stitch to join the beginning and end. After finishing the third round, there are 12 stitches in total. Please count your stitches to make sure they're correct. After each following round, count your stitches to make sure the number is correct. In the fourth round, first crochet a chain stitch, then repeat crocheting 1 single crochet, 1 increase stitch and 1 single crochet as one sequence. Repeat this sequence 4 times. Finally, crochet a slip stitch. First, make 1 chain stitch. For the first sequence, start with 1 single crochet. Use the stitch marker to mark the first stitch. Then make 1 increase stitch. Next, 1 single crochet. The first sequence is completed. For the second sequence, start with one single crochet. Then make one increase stitch. Next, one single crochet. The second sequence is completed. For the third sequence, start by crocheting a single crochet. Then make one increase stitch. Next, one single crochet. The third sequence is completed. For the fourth sequence, start by crocheting a single crochet. Then make one increase stitch. Next, one single crochet. The fourth sequence is completed. Finally, crochet a slip stitch to join the beginning and end. After finishing round 4, there are a total of 16 stitches. For round 5, start by crocheting a chain stitch. Then crochet to single crochet using white yarn. The first one. Use the stitch marker to mark the first stitch. The second one. Note that before completing the second stitch, we need to change to yellow or brown yarn. Take the corresponding color yarn and first hang the yarn on your hand. Hold the yarn tail and fabric together. Wrap the crochet hook around the yellow yarn and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. And that's how you complete the yarn change. The second single crochet is completed. Hold the yarn tail to tighten the stitch. Next, crochet for increased stitches using yellow yarn. The first increased stitch. After inserting the crochet hook through the stitch, you can place the yarn tail on the hook. This way you crochet along with the yarn tail. The second increased stitch. The third increased stitch. After crocheting a few stitches, you can cut the yellow yarn tail short. Make sure to cut these two yarn tails completely apart. Don't cut any yarn tails that are not separated yet. You can also trim the yarn tail in the middle short. Deep crocheting. The fourth increased stitch. Before finishing the fourth increased stitch, we need to change to white yarn. Wrap the crochet hook with white yarn on, pull it through the two loops on the hook. That completes the yarn change. Now, crochet for single crochet with white yarn. The first one. The second one. The third one. The fourth one. Before finishing the fourth stitch, change to yellow yarn. Next, crochet for increased stitches with yellow yarn. The first increased stitch. The second increased stitch. The third increased stitch. The fourth increased stitch. Before finishing the fourth increase stitch, change back to white yarn. Press the white yarn on the back of the fabric. Make sure to keep it fairly loose. Don't pull it too tight. And just like that, you've completed the yarn change. Use the white yarn to crochet to single crochet. The first one. The second one. Finally, crochet a slip stitch to join the beginning and end. Round 5 is done. After finishing round 5, you should have 24 stitches in total. Please count your stitches to make sure they're correct. For round 6, start by crocheting 1 chain stitch. Then crochet 1 decrease stitch. Let's take a look at how to crochet a decrease stitch. Insert the hook into the front loop of the first stitch. Then insert hook through the front loop of the following stitch. Now there are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over the hook and pull through the first 2 loops on the hook. Before finishing the decrease stitch, we change to yellow yarn. Pull the yellow yarn over, keeping it on the back side a bit loose. Wrap the crochet hook around the yellow yarn on, pull the yarn through the 2 loops on the hook. The yarn change is completed. Then mark the first stitch. Next, crochet 1 single crochet and 1 increase stitch with yellow yarn as a sequence. Repeat the sequence 4 times. 1 single crochet, 1 increase stitch, the first sequence is completed. The second sequence, 1 single crochet, 1 increase stitch. The second sequence is completed. 1 single crochet for the third sequence, 1 increase stitch. The third sequence is completed. The fourth sequence, 1 single crochet, 1 increase stitch. Her sequences are completed. Then crochet 1 more single crochet with yellow yarn. Note that you need to change yarn on this single crochet. Pull the white yarn on your hand. Pull it from the back side, keeping it a bit loose. Wrap the crochet hook around the white yarn and pull it through the 2 loops on the hook. And that's how you complete the yarn change. Then crochet to increase stitches with white yarn. The first increase, a second increase. Before finishing the second increase stitch, change back to the yellow yarn. Next, crochet a single crochet with the yellow yarn. Then repeat crocheting 1 increase stitch followed by 1 single crochet as a sequence. Repeat this sequence 4 times. First, crochet 1 increase stitch. Then crochet 1 single crochet. The first sequence is completed. The second sequence starts with 1 increase stitch, 1 single crochet. The second sequence is completed. The third sequence starts with 1 increase stitch, 1 single crochet. The third sequence is done. Crochet 1 increase stitch for the fourth sequence, 1 single crochet. The fourth sequence is completed. Next, change to the white yarn on crochet 1 decrease stitch. The single crochet was just finished. Now you need to undo this loop. Pull the crochet hook back through 2 yellow yarn loops. White yarn over the hook and pull through the 2 loops on the crochet hook. This completes the yarn change. Then, crochet a decrease stitch. Insert the crochet hook through the front loop of the next stitch, then insert hook through the front loop of the following stitch. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops on the crochet hook. This completes 1 decrease stitch. Finally, work a slip stitch into the first stitch. After finishing round 6, there are a total of 32 stitches. Please count your stitches to make sure the number is correct. Start round 7 by crocheting 1 chain stitch. Then crochet 1 single crochet. Note that you need to change yarn on the single crochet. This completes the yarn change. Mark the first stitch with the stitch marker. Next, use yellow yarn to crochet 6 single crochet followed by 1 increase stitch to make a sequence. Repeat this crochet sequence twice. For the first sequence, start by crocheting 6 single crochet. Then make 1 increase stitch. The first sequence is done. Now start the second sequence by crocheting 6 single crochet. Then make 1 increase stitch. Before finishing the increase stitch, we need to change to white yarn. And that's how you complete the yarn change. The second sequence is also done. Next, use white yarn to crochet to single crochet. The first one, the second one. On the second single crochet, we need to change to yellow yarn. Next, use yellow yarn to repeat crocheting 1 increase stitch followed by 6 single crochet to make a sequence. Repeat this crochet sequence twice. For the first sequence, start by crocheting 1 increase stitch. Then crochet 6 single crochet. The first sequence is completed. For the second sequence, start by crocheting an increase stitch. Then, crochet 6 single crochet. At the 6th single crochet, change back to white yarn. Pull the white yarn over fairly loosely. And that's how you complete the yarn change. Crochet a single crochet with the white yarn. Then work a slip stitch into the first stitch. Round 7 is done. There are a total of 36 stitches. For round 8, change the yellow yarn to crochet. Start with 1 chain stitch. Then crochet 17 single crochet. Use the stitch marker to mark the first stitch. At the 17th single crochet, change to white yarn. Crochet to single crochet with white yarn. Change to yellow yarn on the second stitch. Next, crochet 17 single crochet with yellow yarn. If the yarn accidentally slips off, just put the crochet hook back through the loop and keep crocheting. Finally, crochet 1 slip stitch. After finishing the 8th round, there are a total of 36 stitches. The stitches for the 9th and 10th rounds are exactly the same. For each round, start by crocheting 16 single crochet with yellow yarn after a chain stitch. Then change to white yarn on crochet for single crochet. Next, change back to yellow yarn on crochet 16 single crochet. Finish with 1 slip stitch. Now, let's crochet the 9th round. Start with 1 chain stitch. Then crochet 16 single crochet. Use the stitch marker to mark the first stitch. At the 16th stitch, you need to change to white yarn. Then crochet for single crochet with white yarn. At the 4th stitch, you need to change back to yellow yarn. Next, crochet 16 single crochet with yellow yarn. Sixteen single crochet are completed. Then finish with a slip stitch. Round 9 is done. For round 10, please follow the same method as round 9 and crochet it yourself. Round 10 is finished. Next, rounds 11 to 13 use the exact same stitch methods. Start each round by crocheting 1 chain stitch with yellow yarn on, then work 15 single crochet. Then change to white yarn on, crochet 6 single crochet. Next, change back to yellow yarn on, crochet 15 single crochet. Finish with a slip stitch. Now, let's crochet round 11. Start with 1 chain stitch. Then crochet 15 single crochet. Use the stitch marker to mark the first stitch. Then, continue crocheting single crochet stitches. Change to white yarn on the 15th stitch. Next, crochet 6 single crochet stitches with white yarn. Change to yellow yarn on the 6th stitch. Then crochet 15 single crochet stitches with yellow yarn. "15 single crochet stitches are done. Finish with a slip stitch. Round 11 is done. For rounds 12 to 13, please follow the same crochet methods as round 11. Round 13 is completed. Next, attach the eyes. Pull the loop larger and take the crochet hook out. We make this side as the top of the dog's head. The eyes are attached between round 6 and round 7. This is round 1. Round 2, round 3, round 4, round 5. Round 6, round 7. Insert the sewing needle between round 6 and round 7. Centering on the white area here. Count 7 stitches to the left and right respectively. Based on the stitch count of round 6, an increased stitch is counted as 2 stitches. 1, 2. At the 7th stitch, place a stitch marker here. Make a mark here. Count 7 stitches from the sewing needle to the other side. 1, 7. Similarly, place a stitch marker here to mark. Remove the sewing needle. Let's check if the eyes are symmetrical. No problem. Now take out the eyes. Insert the eyes into the spots marked with stitch markers. Check if the eyes are symmetrical. Then, flip to the back side of the fabric. Attach the safety back pieces. This can prevent the eyes from falling off. And just like that, the eyes are installed. Now, let's continue to crochet round 14. Insert the crochet hook back into the loop. Hold the working yarn to tighten the loop. For round 14, start with 1 chain stitch. Then use yellow yarn to crochet 6 single crochet. Use the stitch marker to mark the first stitch. Six single crochet are done. Crochet 1 decrease stitch. Then crochet 7 single crochet. At the 7th single crochet, change to white yarn. Hold the white yarn loosely on the back of the fabric. Pull the yellow yarn tight. Make a decrease stitch with the white yarn. Then crochet a single crochet. Then crochet 1 decrease stitch. During finishing the decrease stitch, change to yellow yarn. Next, crochet 7 single crochet with the yellow yarn. Then crochet 1 decrease stitch. Then crochet 6 single crochet. Finally, crochet 1 slip stitch. After finishing round 14, there are 32 stitches in total. Next, round 15. Start with a chain stitch using yellow yarn. Then crochet 1 single crochet. Use the stitch marker to mark the first stitch. Then repeat the sequence of 1 decrease stitch and single crochet 3 times. For the first sequence, start with 1 decrease stitch. Then crochet to single crochet. The first sequence is completed. The second sequence. First, crochet a decrease stitch. Then crochet to single crochet. In the third sequence, start by crocheting a decrease stitch. Then crochet 2 single crochet. The third sequence is done. Crochet a decrease stitch. During completing this decrease stitch, change to white yarn. Then crochet to single crochet using white yarn. On the second single crochet, change to yellow yarn. Then crochet a decrease stitch with yellow yarn. Next, repeat the sequence of 2 single crochet and 1 decrease stitch 3 times. Note here. This strand is from the previous decrease stitch. And our next hook insertion point is here. For the first sequence, crochet to single crochet first. Then, crochet 1 decrease stitch. For the second sequence, crochet to single crochet first. Then crochet 1 decrease stitch. In the third sequence, start by crocheting to single crochet. Then crochet 1 decrease stitch. Next, 1 single crochet. Then make a slip stitch to join the beginning and end. After finishing round 15, there are a total of 24 stitches. In the 16th round, crochet 1 chain stitch first with yellow yarn. Then crochet a sequence of 1 single crochet and 1 decrease stitch. Repeat this sequence 8 times. Finally, crochet 1 slip stitch. First, crochet 1 chain stitch. Then crochet the first sequence. Start with 1 single crochet. Then mark the first stitch with a stitch marker. Next, crochet 1 decrease stitch. The first sequence is completed. For the second sequence, start with 1 single crochet. Then crochet 1 decrease stitch. The second sequence is completed. For the third sequence, start with 1 single crochet. Then crochet 1 decrease stitch. The third sequence is completed. The remaining 5 sequences are crocheted exactly the same way as the previous 3 sequences. Please crochet them on your own. All 8 sequences are completed. Finally, crochet 1 slip stitch to join the beginning and end. After finishing round 16, there are a total of 16 stitches. Next, pull the loop bigger and remove the hook. Here, you can cut the white yarn. Tuck the yarn tail inside the fabric, then add some stuffing cotton. Take out some stuffing cotton, fluff it up by tearing it, then add a little at a time into the fabric. Stuff it until it's nice and full like this. Sometimes after adding stuffing cotton, the eyes look a bit crooked. We can use a sewing needle to go through right next to the eye. Twist it like this. Adjust the eye's position. Do the same on this side too. Next, continue crocheting round 17. Put the crochet hook back into the loop. Then pull the working yarn to adjust the loop size. Hang the yarn on your hand. Since the stuffing cotton is already inside the fabric, use your fingers to press the stuffing cotton while crocheting here. This helps prevent pulling the stuffing cotton out. For round 17, start with 1 chain stitch. Then crochet 8 decrease stitches and finish with 1 slip stitch. 1 chain stitch is done. Next, crochet decrease stitches. The first decrease. Use the stitch marker to mark the first stitch. The second one. This strand of yarn belongs to this decrease stitch. Our next hook insertion point is right here. The second one. The third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. The sixth one. The yarn on your hand is a bit loose. You can rewrap the yarn around the hand. The seventh one. The eighth one. Finally, crochet a slip stitch to join the beginning and end. Then pull the loop bigger and remove the hook. Leave about a 6-inch yarn tail before cutting. Pull out the yarn tail. Thread the yarn tail through the sewing needle. Remove the stitch marker. Next, pick up the front loops of the last round to close the hole. After passing through the front loops of the last round, pull the yarn tail tight to close this round. You can see the last round is tightened. Pass the yarn tail through the fabric several more times. This is to prevent unraveling. Cut off the excess yarn tail. And neaten it up. The head is done.